Hey, it's Ryan from Combat Off-Road, just here to show you a few of our favorite products. I want to start you off with our Off-the-Turnbuckle Hood Latch. Basically, we've designed this so you can get rid of the hood flutter. In case you did or didn't know, we're the only billet machine hood latch in the industry, and we're the only hood latch that provides all stainless hardware. So basically, easy instructions here. Push the D10 pin, pull that through, flip down the turnbuckle. There you are. All this hardware is all stainless. All this is UV resistant, hard coat, anodized. The pin is aircraft quality. Very simple to install. You use the OE holes. Set the height just by hand. Get your hood profile where you want it. And I would just toss the pin in. Once you got that even on each side, you just grab the turnbuckle, tighten the left, right hand jam nuts, and you're all done. Like I said, this product's designed really to last a lifetime, and it's one of my favorites. It looks cool, high quality machining, high quality parts, and it gets rid of that hood flutter. So if you have any questions about this product or any other products or anything else that I can help you with, you just shoot us an email or give us a call.